most people think about celebrating Songkran, Thailand's most famous water festival, the image that comes to mind is the crowded streets of Chiang Mai's old city with music blasting, tourists and locals dancing in the streets, and buckets of water flying in every direction. It's fun, it's energetic, and it's chaotic. But for those who seek a more peaceful, scenic, and authentic way to enjoy Songkran, there's a lesser known spot just an hour outside the city that offers an unforgettable experience, the Chur Lare Bridge in Mae Taeng, where nature meets tradition. Located in the Mae Taeng district of Chiang Mai province, Chur Lare Bridge is a rustic wooden suspension bridge that crosses a gentle river surrounded by lush green hills, rice fields, and distant mountains. The bridge itself isn't famous in travel brochures or viral YouTube blogs, but that's part of its charm. It's a place known mostly to locals, expats living in the area, and a few lucky tourists who stumble upon it while exploring the countryside. During most of the year, the bridge is simply a quiet spot where villagers and occasional visitors enjoy a walk, take photos, or relax by the riverside. But during Songkran, usually celebrated from April 13 to 15, the area is transformed into a joyful celebration of the Thai culture and community. In contrast to the fast-paced, commercialized version of Songkran in downtown Chiang Mai or Bangkok, the celebration at Churlare Bridge is more traditional, more nature-focused, and more connected to local life. Here's what makes it special. Songkran at Churlare Bridge is a community event. Villagers from nearby towns come with their families and friends, bringing homemade food, drinks, and smiles. Everyone is welcome, Thai or foreigner, young or old. There is no need to buy expensive water guns or wear flashy outfits. Just bring a towel, some respectful clothing, and an open heart. The river under the bridge becomes the perfect playground for water fights and cooling off under the hot April sun. Kids splash around in the shallow areas, teenagers float on inner tubes, and adults join in the fun or relax in shaded spots along the banks. Unlike city streets, where the water can get dirty from the crowds and chaos, here the water is clean, fresh, and flowing from nearby hills. In many places, Songkran has turned into a wild party, but in Meteng, the traditional side of the festival is still alive. You might see local families performing road nam dam hua, the respectful pouring of scented water over elders, hands to ask for blessings. There might be small Buddhist ceremonies, San Pagoda Building, and local performances or music. It's a beautiful reminder that Songkran is not just about water fights. It's about respect, renewal, and community. Scenic surroundings for a relaxing day beyond the bridge and river. The area around Churlare is perfect for exploring. You can walk through fields, take photos of the mountain views, or just sit by the river and enjoy the peaceful atmosphere. The air is cleaner, the noise is softer, and the vibe is refreshingly slow paced. How to get there? So Churlare Bridge is located in Mae Taeng, about 50 to 60 kilometers north of Chiang Mai City. You can get there by car or motorbike. The drive takes around 1 to 1.5 hours depending on traffic. The roads are mostly in good condition, and the journey offers beautiful countryside views along the way. Local tour or songtail. If you're not driving, you can hire a red songtail, shared or truck taxi. or join a small group tour that includes Mae Taeng attractions. Cycling adventure. For the more adventurous, some choose to bike up to the area as part of a day trip, combining Songkran fun with a bit of exercise. Once you're there, parking is usually available, and since the area is not overwhelmed with tourists, you won't struggle to find space or get around. What are the other things to do in Meteng? While Chur Bridge is a highlight during Songkran, Mae Taeng itself is a destination worth visiting year-round. Here are a few things you can explore nearby. Elephant sanctuaries. Visit ethical elephant parks where you can learn about and interact with these majestic animals in a respectful, cruelty-free environment. Trekking and waterfalls. Go for a hike in the surrounding hills and discover hidden waterfalls like Mesa or Buatong or the Sticky Waterfall. White water rafting and zip lining. For thrill seekers, Mereng offers exciting activities along the river that will get your heart racing. Local temples and villages. Explore the Lisu, the Karen, or Akahil tribe villages and learn about their unique cultures and lifestyles. So here are some tips great Songkran at Lare Bridge. To make the most of your experience, here are a few quick tips. Go early to find a good spot by the river and avoid the midday heat. Bring waterproof bags or pouches to keep your phone and valuables safe. Respect local customs. Dress modestly, especially around families and elders. Stay hydrated and wear sunscreen. The, the April sun in Chiang Mai can be intense. Support local vendors by buying snacks or drinks. It helps the community and adds to your experience. Why choose Turlery Bridge for Songkran? Songkran is meant to be a time of joy, reflection, and connection. At Turlery Bridge, you'll find all of that and more without the noise, pollution, or stress of city life. It's a place where water fights meet nature, fun meets culture, and strangers become friends. Whether you're a tourist looking for something different, an expat wanting a break from the crowds, or a Thai local discovering your roots, Chur Lare Bridge offers a unique, heartwarming way to celebrate the Thai New Year. So this April, if you find yourself in northern Thailand, pack your bag, leave the city behind, and lead the Mae Taeng Sculpture Lare Bridge. It might just become your favorite Songkran memory.